Learning Officer with National Museum Wales, and today I'm going to show you a really easy sensory activity for children of any age from 6 months right up to adults, and today we're making sensory rainbow rice. So all you need for this activity is some dry rice, some food colouring, a Tupperware and a tray. And here I have red rice. I'm just going to put this into my tray, rinse out my box and do the same for all my colours. So here I have my rainbow rice. You can mix it all together or you can leave it in clumps of colour for your little one to mix together. This is Emrys, he's 1 and he's going to have a play of our sensory rice today. Here we go. I'm going to let him mix the colours himself and I've got a small cup just to play around with. This is a sensory activity, which means that it's an opportunity for children to learn by using their senses. This is also a brilliant opportunity for him to learn fine motor skills through picking up the rice, picking up the cup or any other toys you want to add. He's really using those muscles and thinking about his coordination. Oh, good boy. It's a really good opportunity for language skills. With an older child, you can talk about the colours, the mixing of the colours. You can talk about how it feels in your hands, anything that's happening with the toys that you're playing with. Oh, good boy, putting it in there. Oh, this is free play. It's all about making a mess. There's no right or wrong. There's nothing he can get in trouble for. It's all just about playing and being together. It's a good sound, isn't it?